Hi guys, today I will explain how to sell USDT in Binance. This process is simple and is the only thing is open the Binance application. Once it will be open. Take a look on the left top, you can see the option of Binance. Just click on it and you will see few more options. From these, click on the option More Services. Here, you will see a lot of different options. From these, you have to click on the option Buy Crypto here. We can also buy crypto as well as we can sell it. Now, in order to sell, select this option. Once you will select Sell below, you have to enter the USDT amount, like I will select 5. Here it's saying your available balance is 0.08 USDT, and the minimum amount which I can sell is 5 USDT. So that's why I cannot click on this option. But if you have then before clicking on this option, you have to do few more things. This one is the selected crypto. If it is not selected, then click on it and here select your USDT. You can also search by using the search bar. The next thing is you have to choose the payment method by clicking on this option, and here you can see few multiple options. Once you do click on the option Confirm and tap on the preview order. If you have enough balance, then you can sell it on Binance, and you will receive the payment through your selected payment method. And it was the way by which you can do it quickly.